be discussing linear equations in one variable. It means we're having equations. Equations means there are two sides. Left hand side, some expression is there. Algebraic expression is there on left hand side. Similarly, on the right hand side. Okay. And how they are related? They are related by equal sign. They are related by equal
So
sign.
today why
That
there are
means left.
this much students only?
This much
So
students
today why
only.
there are this much students only?
Okay, I
Sir,
don't know
your
the whole.
picture is paused. I cannot see.
Just check your connection once. Just switch it off and turn the video again. So we are having left hand side and right hand side. Okay. We are having two algebraic expressions. How they are related? They are related by equal sign. That means left hand side of the expression is same as is equal to right hand side. Okay. And now, okay, linear equation in one variable. One variable means we are having only one variable. For example, I write x plus 5 equal to 7. Okay. This is one algebraic expression. This is other. How they are related? By equal sign. And how many variables? One variable. We have only one variable, that is x. Okay. If I write x plus y equal to 7, how many variables? Two variables. We won't be discussing these.
Two.
Okay. We will be limited to one variable. And linear equations means power of variable is how much? 1. It is linear equation. Power of or the exponent of the linear exponent of the variable is 1. So we'll be discussing linear equation in one variable. Okay. Now how to solve them? Okay. For example, the expression is 2x plus 3 equal to 7. Okay. This is our linear equation. Okay. Now how to solve? See here. Okay. Two ways I'll be telling. Okay. Both are not much difference. Equal to 7. Okay. Now see here. 2x plus 3 equal to 7. Now if I subtract 3 from both sides, 2x plus 3 minus 3. Same here, minus 3. From both sides, I am subtracting 3. So what is remaining? 2x equal to 7 minus 4, 7 minus 3, 4. This is clear. Now both sides I am dividing by 2. So x equal to 2. This is one way. Okay. We won't be following this one now. Okay. We won't follow this one now. How to do this one? 2x plus 3. Now what we will do? We will take, this is left hand side, this is right hand side. We will transfer this 3 from left hand side to right hand side. Okay. And how we are going to transfer? Here it is plus 3. So next what will be writing? If you are transferring on left hand side 2x only, plus 3, on right hand side it will become minus 3. Have you understood this one? If you are transferring a number from one side to the other, it will be subtracted. Plus 3, it will become minus 3. Okay. So what we are getting? 2x equal to 4. Now what we will do? 2 from left hand side will transfer to right hand side. Here it is multiplied, here it will be divided. X equal to 4 divided by 2. X equal to 2. This is clear?
Sir, which chapter you are teaching?
It is A51, page number A51. Open page number A51 once in algebra, A51, fifth chapter.
Sir, that geometry chapter, question number 15 not done, sir.
14th and 15th, last two, they are not in they are not in syllabus. Okay, those proofs are not in syllabus.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is clear. Now, for example, the question is given x by 2 minus 3 equal to 7. Now, how to solve? First, we'll be transferring this to right hand side. That is, numbers on one side, all the variables on other side. Variables, mainly we take variables on left hand side, all the numbers on right hand side. Okay, so if we take this on the right hand side, minus 3, it will become plus 7 plus 3. Minus 3 becomes plus on the right hand side. X by 2 equal to 10. Now x is divided by 2. If we transfer it on right hand side, it will be multiplied. So x will be how much? 20. This is clear. Now how to verify whether we have solved correctly? X equal to 2. Just put 2 here. So what will we get? If we put x equal to 2, 2 into 2 plus 3, left hand side. How much we are getting? 7. So this solution is correct. How to verify this one? Put 20 here. 20 upon 2 minus 3. How much we are getting? 10 minus 3, that is 7. We are getting the same answer. This is how we verified. Okay, this is clear. Okay, rest we discuss as we solve the exercise. Okay, so now we can start the exercise.
Sir, in this chapter, which exercises are excluded?
Here, all the 3 exercises are included, but some questions are excluded. That I will tell you. Okay, in first exercise, full exercise is there. Okay.
Sir, we can solve first itself.
Page number.
Page number
Page number.
A51. 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 Please be on time. In class, always be on time. The early bird gets all the grains.
Sir, we can do first question itself.
Yes, start the exercise. You have 1 minute to solve first question. So first question is 3x first 3x minus 5 equal to x plus 3. X plus 3. This is first. The whole exercise is there in syllabus. Okay. In second exercise, some questions are excluded. Okay. That I will tell you afterwards. Okay. First, solve this one. So what you have to do? All the x terms on left hand side, all the numbers on the right hand side. Solve that way. First, so what we'll be doing here? We'll be moving x. This is left hand side. This is right hand side. No need of writing that one. Okay, just for you knowledge I'm writing. So x will move on left hand side. So how will write? 3x, x moves on that minus x. 5 on this side, it will become minus 5, so it will become plus. Either you can write 3 plus 5 or 5 plus 3. That is the same thing. Okay. Now solve left hand side and solve right hand side. 3x minus x, 2x equal to how much? 8. And now we will transfer this on the right hand side. So 2x, it will be x, 8 by 2. X equal to 4. This is the answer. Understood now? Now solve.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you solve yourself. Second one. After that, I'll solve. So you have 1 minute to solve. It's easy question. 7y minus 1.5. 7y minus 1.5 equal to 8.5 minus 3y. See, these are linear equations in one variable. How many variables? One variable. That is y, only one variable. Linear equations, how? Power of 1. Exponent of 1 is 1. Index of y is 1. Okay, it's good. Keep doing. Equations means equal to sign. Okay, now see how to solve all the y terms on left hand side. 7y minus 3y, it will become plus 3y. Minus 1.5, when we move in the right hand side, it will become plus.
10y is equal to 10.
10y equal to 10. Now 10 get cancelled, y equal to 1. Or you can write one more step, y equal to 10 upon 10 and y equal to 1. Okay. Okay, solve second one. So first you have to open the bracket. Board mass, always follow board mass. BOD-MAS. You all remember board mass?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
BOD-MAS. First bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, addition, then subtraction. Addition, subtraction, that's up to you. 2 into x minus 3 it is. X minus 3 equal to 14.
Sir, answer. I done.
Keep doing, keep doing. 14 minus 3x. Okay. Now see here what you will do. First, we solve the left hand side. We have to open the bracket first. Open the bracket. So what you'll be getting? Open the bracket 2x and
2x minus
minus 6. 14 minus 3x. Okay. X on one side, all the numbers on other side. So x will move in this side and 6 in this side. 2x plus 3x equal to 14 plus 6. It will be how much? 5x equal to, now similar terms we can add. X equal to 20 divided by 5. X equal to how much? 4. You can verify also. How? Put 4 here. 4 minus 3, how much? 1. 2 on left hand side. Here 4. 4 6 is 12. 14 minus 12, 2. So left hand side is same as right hand side. Hence we have verified. Okay. Do second one now. Do second one. Yes. Seven, 2x, 7x minus 2, 3, 4x, 6. 4x plus 6. Okay. Okay. Everyone got the answer? So how we are going to solve? First, we have to open the bracket. So 5x plus, now next step will be open the bracket. 7x minus 7 to the 14. Is clear? Equal to 3 minus here. See here, minus 4 into x, minus 4x. Now minus 4 into plus 6. So here will be plus sign or minus sign?
minus.
Minus 4 into 6. So minus 24. This you understood. Pay attention here. Here it is minus 4 into x. As you open the bracket, minus 4 into x, minus 4x. Minus 4 into plus 6, minus 24. This is clear? Now all the x on one side, numbers on other side. So what we are having? 5x plus 7x. Minus 4x on right hand side, it will become plus 4x. Equal to how much? 3 minus 24 plus 14. Minus 14, it will become plus 14. Now add them. 5, 7, 12, 16. 16x. Okay. Here how much it will be? 14, 20. Okay. Minus 24 plus 3. Minus 21. Minus
Minus
21
7.
plus 14. Minus 14. Minus 21 plus 14. That is minus 7. Now x we can move from left hand side to right hand side. Minus 7 upon 16. Okay. Next question, do it yourself in 1 minute. I won't be doing next question. And tell me if anyone have doubt in that. Solve it.
We're done.
If done, good. Keep doing. Okay, in 1 minute try to solve. If anyone don't get, please ask. If you don't get the answer, please ask. So always take care of plus and minus signs here. Okay. In these questions, mainly silly mistakes may happen. Okay. So anyone who haven't solved the third one now? Anyone? X minus 3 divided by 2 plus 4 equal to 3x plus 7 divided by 4. Okay. Okay. This question, okay, solve for once. Anyone remaining who haven't solved second, third? Anyone remaining? Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
solved.
now, okay, good. Now, third, first we are solving. See here, this you can solve by many methods, okay? Depending on how first you multiply with the LCM, or whether you take on the right hand side, left hand side only, then right hand side, you can do any way, okay? So,
Sir,
I'm
can we
providing.
do by cross multiply?
Yes, that only I'm telling. So I'll be telling both here. Okay. So everyone look here. Okay. First, what I'm doing, I'm simply doing one, taking LCM. Okay. First, I'm doing with LCM. Okay. That is, I'm taking the LCM for the whole expression. Okay. So what is the LCM for the whole expression? Left hand side we have 2, right hand side we have 4. So what will be the LCM of 2 and 4?
4.
It will be 4. It will be 4. LCM will be 4. Now what I'll do? I'll multiply both the side by 4. Okay. So I multiply both the side by 4. Okay. 4 x minus 3 divided by 2 plus 4, and here as well 3x plus 7 divided by 4. Okay. Two methods I'll be telling. Okay. One method, see here. Mainly second method we'll be using. Okay. See here now. This is fine. We have multiplied by 4 on both sides. Right hand side will get cancelled. Left hand side, open the bracket. So we'll be having x minus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4 equal to 3x plus 7. So it will be 2x minus 6 plus 16 equal to 3x plus 7. Further you can solve. Okay. Now the second method. What we are having, x minus 3 upon 2 plus 4 equal to 3x plus 7 upon 4. Okay. So what we'll do, first take the LCM here. LCM here 2. So I can write like this, plus 8 divided by 2, 3x plus 7 divided by 4. This is fine. This is fine. Understood this one?
Yes,
Only
sir.
this
Sir,
time.
explain again.
Okay. See here. This time I'm taking LCM on the left hand side only. Okay. Left hand side only I'm taking. Okay. So this I'm getting. Okay. This is
Okay,
clear.
sir.
LCM I took. Now see here. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. Either we can cancel here. 2. Here will be 2. Or what we can do? We can take 4 on this side. It will be 4 x minus how much? X plus 5 divided by 2 equal to 3x plus 7. Okay. I haven't taken cross multiplied. I haven't taken 2 here because it get cancelled. 2. Or you can cancel here as well. 2 here 2 will be remaining. That as well you can do. What is remaining? 2x plus 5 equal to 3x plus 7. 2x plus 5 equal to 3x plus 7. 2x plus 10. 2 into x, 2 into 5. 2x plus 10 equal to 3x plus 7. This is clear?
Sir, is this correct?
Yes, this is correct. That I am
Okay, sir.
saying. 1 minute. 2 you have taken. Yes, that's way only. I am telling that
Sir,
only.
sir,
Yes.
sir, there is no third method. Sir, there is no third method.
See here. These methods just based on how you do the calculations, how you are doing the calculations. You can any method you can use. Like after here, you can use any method. Either you take 4 on that side or 2 on this side. You can take then 2 remains. Any way you can solve them. Okay. But answer will be getting the same. Any way you can solve. Okay. Either you can cross multiply here. 4 taking on that side, 2 take. Okay, 1 minute. I insert one more step here. That is x plus 5 divided by 2 equal to 3x plus 7 divided by 4. Okay, this you have got. Now again we can do by two ways. One way is 4 taking on this side. So it would be 4x plus 5 divided by 2 equal to 3x plus 7. So 2 get cancelled, remaining. Or you can cancel 2 here as well. 2 will be remaining here. Okay. Second method, 4 take that side x plus 5 and take 2 on the right hand side. 2, 3x plus 5. Both are same. Now either you can cancel them because 2 common is there, or you can proceed such as well. 4x.
Sir, we can
plus-
cross multiply also. Sir, cross multiply.
Yes, you can cross multiply. I have multiplied here. It will be 6x plus 10. It is same. Answer will be getting same. You can do any way, any step you can do. Or you can do like this as well. Same answer you'll be getting. 2x plus 10 equal to 3x plus 7. So 3x on that side, 2x minus 3x minus x. 10 on that side, minus 3. X equal to 3. Similarly here, minus 2x. Here, 1 minute, 6. Okay, 1 minute, 7 was there. It is 7. 1 minute, 7. So 40. Okay. So again minus 6, x equal to 3. Similarly here x equal to 3 will be getting, taking x on the 3x on that side, 2x minus 3x. Here it is plus 10. So 7 minus 10. Minus 3 minus x. X equal to 3. Same answer we are getting. Okay. It depends how you solve. That's up to you. You can use any way. Okay. Either first we take the LCM on both sides, then solve. Or you can solve this way. Okay. Mainly I prefer this way. Left hand side LCM we take, right hand side LCM we take, then we either cross multiply. Or if they are common, we can cancel them. This is clear? Any method you can use. Okay. So now solve third first. Everyone solve third first the way you feel better. Okay. Solve third first. It must be your way. What's your way? Solve by that. You have understood? So any way we can solve. The answer will always be same. So we'll be reaching the same place by taking different paths. Understood this one? May I rub now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now do the third second. Good. Keep doing the third second. And if you go by the easiest way, whichever seems easiest, we will prefer that one. So next one is 1 by 2 x plus 3 minus 2 by 5 x minus 9 x minus 3 equal to x plus 9. Okay, 1 by 2 x plus 3, 2 by 5. Okay, so this is the question. So what do we do? Left hand side we solve first, then we use the right hand side. So here 2, here 5. Should we take the LCM?
10.
So LCM will be 10. Okay. So this will be okay, LCM you take 10. That means x plus 3 has to be multiplied by what? With
5 into
5,
x plus 3.
5. So it will be 5 into x plus 3. Okay. We have multiplied numerator and denominator by 5. Then only we will get 10 here and here 5. This is clear? Minus 2. 5, 2 ja 10. That means numerator we have to multiply by 2. So
4.
4. If you don't understand any step, just tell me at that same time, okay? Immediately you tell, okay? This is x plus 9. This is fine. Now simultaneously we can do two things. We can transfer this 10 on right hand side. That kind of a cross multiply only, and we'll solve this as well. 5 into x, 5x plus 15.
15.
Minus 4 into x,
Minus 4. Plus 12.
minus 4 into minus 3 we are doing. So minus minus plus 12. And 10, either you can write here or you can transfer this side. 10 into x plus 9. Okay. Solve this one. 5x minus 4x. X plus 15 plus 12. How much? 20?
27.
Okay, equal to how much? 10x plus 90. Understood this one? Okay. X on one side, all the numbers on the other side. So x minus 10x equal to 90 minus 27 minus 9x. How much we are getting here? 3.
63.
63. Now x equal to 63 divided by 9 and minus sign. So how much it is? Minus 7. Understood this one? Okay.
Sir, but answer is minus 7 upon 16.
Also minus 7 upon 16. Okay, no, that
No,
is
sir,
second,
the answer is minus 7 only.
minus 7 only. That is second answer. That you are checking wrong answer. Third second you have to check. It is minus 7. Okay. Okay. Now do the third one. I give you 2 minutes to solve third one. Then we'll be solving. Solve
How
third.
minus 16?
Which one? See, answer is minus 7 only. Minus 7.
No, sir.
Minus
Answer, no, sir. How, sir? X is equals to minus 63, sir. How came, sir?
Okay, here x equal to okay. See here what we are getting here. You can see step here. X minus 10x minus 9x. This is clear. 90 minus 27. 27 we are moving from left hand side towards we're transferring to right hand side. Plus 27 it will become minus 27. 90 minus 27, 63. Understood? So we are having minus 9x on left hand side and 63 on right hand side. Okay. So minus 9, if we remove from here, x equal to minus 63. Transfer this one, 9. X equal to how much? Minus, and it is 7. Understood? Okay, solve next one. You have 2 minutes. Solve this one. Good. Keep solving. Okay, x plus 7 upon 4. X plus 7 upon 4.
Sir,
Okay,
it is coming minus x is equal to 7.
this one third as well.
Yes,
Okay, you are
sir.
saying minus x equal to 7. Okay, you are getting
Yes,
this.
sir.
Now see here, if I multiply both sides by minus 1. Or see here, minus is there. If I transfer this minus, we simply write minus 7. Or see here, what is this? Minus x equal to 7. That means minus 1 into x equal to 7. Okay. Now transfer
Okay,
minus 1 side. So x will be 7 upon minus 1. This is same as writing as minus 7. We can write minus anywhere. It is same as minus 7 upon 1. It is same as minus 7 upon 1. It is same as minus 7. Numerator 1 is understood. Okay. Okay. Now always remember here, when you write x, write it properly. I have seen students writing like this as well, x. So sometimes they get confused with x or 4. Sometimes they write it like this. Sometimes they write like this. So you may confuse it with 4. So always write this number correctly, okay? And z you write, always write it like this. Don't write like this. You will make it 2. Somewhere you make it 2 as well. So always write that. Why you write? Don't write like this. Always write it like this, okay? You will not make confused. You won't get confused, okay? Understood? X, proper X, Y, this way. Don't write like Y this. Okay. Z this. Always use Z this or Z. Okay. But we prefer this one. This one is fine. Okay. Okay. X plus 7 divided by 4 equal to x minus 3 divided by 5 plus 2. So how you are going to do?
Sir, if we completed third, we can do fourth.
Yes, yes, keep doing, okay.
Sir, in
So any
fourth, first the answer is coming 7 upon 4.
fourth first 7 upon 4. Some mistake you may have made. I will check that one. So first discuss this one. Everyone able to solve this one? Anyone remaining who aren't able to solve? Anyone
Sir,
remaining?
Sir, solved.
Sir,
Yes, sir,
Everyone?
solved.
sir, solved.
Okay then. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, next question we discuss fourth first. Okay, 3 upon 1 minus x equal to 4 upon x. Okay, this is very easy. We can go for which one? Cross
Sir, cross multiply.
multiplication.
cross multiply. So
तो बोलिए
3x,
टेनिस नहीं लग रही
4 it's okay, no issue. 4 into 1 minus x. This is clear. We can cross multiply x, this one, 1 minus x, this one. This understood? This is clear. Now open the bracket. 3x equal to 4 minus 4x. Take x on that side. X term. 4x equal to 4. It is how much? 7x equal to 4. X equal to 4 upon 7. Is this the answer? 4 upon 7. Understood now? This time, cross multiply. Okay. Second one you do. Second one is very easy. Second one is very easy. Okay. Second you do. Okay. Third and fourth do as homework. Third and fourth do as homework. We start fifth first. Okay. Keep doing fourth second. Then start fifth first. Fifth first.
Can you explain third?
Third. Okay, you haven't got third. This is the okay. Okay, take the LCM. X plus 7 divided by 4. Leave that side. Right hand side we solve. X minus 3. LCM will be how much? 5. So plus how much? What will be writing here? It will be how much? 10. Understood this one? We are taking LCM. LCM is 5. So we multiply 5, we divide by 5. So 5 I'm writing here, x minus 3 plus 10. X plus 7 divided by 4 equal to how much? X plus 7 upon 5. Now cross multiply. Now can you do 5 into x plus 7 equal to 4 into?
Yes.
Okay, now you solve. Okay, fifth first. Fifth first, x plus 4.
Time over.
Time
Okay,
over, sir.
one.
Can we update?
Sir, time
Okay.
over. Sir, time over.
20 is there. Okay, 1 minute. I'll take only 1 minute. This question I solve, then we'll leave. 2x plus 1 equal to x plus 2.
Sir, in this
Hereby,
also we will do cross multiply.
yes, cross multiply only. See here, cross multiply them. X plus 4 into, we have multiplied the coordinate, this one. Expressions are earlier as well. X plus 2, 2x plus 1. Multiply them. So, x, this one, 4, this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
2x square plus 7x minus 4.
Sir, that we
Okay,
will do.
similarly, this side. Okay.
Take attendees.
Attendance. Okay, I will take that one. Don't worry about that. Okay, let me start recording. Stop recording.